In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the capabilities of EmotivBCI. Now, the first thing that we want to do is create a training profile. Different training profiles let you test out different devices or even different mental command cues, so we'll just use this test one that I've made. Now, the first thing is mental commands. This allows you to train the system to recognize different brain patterns or thoughts, and then you can use those thoughts to do things like control an external device or trigger an event. There's also facial expressions, and this allows you to trigger events with things such as your eyes or facial expressions. Performance metrics, these are measurements of focus, excitement, interest, engagement, stress, and relaxation. Motion sensors, this shows where the headset is in space. And finally, open sound control. This is a pretty exciting feature as it allows you to use Emotiv's data streams with open sound control compatible hardware and software. And I'll have future videos that go over how to use these different features in more detail.